How to unlock events in Subway Surfer. In today's video, I am going to show you how to unlock and participate in events in Subway Surfer. Let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer application. First, make sure you have the latest version of Subway Surfer installed on your phone. Head to the App Store and Google Play Store and check if the update is available. Once your game is updated, open it and look for the event button. It is usually on the middle side of your screen. Tap on it and view all the current events. Now choose the event you want to join. Each event may require you to complete specific tasks like collecting a certain numbers of items or collecting challenges during your run. By completing this challenge, you will earn rewards like event exclusive characters, hoverboards, and event coin that can be spent in-game. And that's how you unlock and participate in event in Subway Surfer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.